how to fix Instagram story effects problem. Hello guys, so if you have any problem with the filters or the effects on your Instagram, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps and then search for Google Play services and then click here on this force stop and go back to the apps manager and search for Instagram. Click on it and then click on this force stop option right here, and after that you have to go into the storage, click on clear data, and then you have to go into the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Instagram and update it from here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.